Okay, I've received a lot of inbox messages requesting more insight on how the BS Academy marketing system works. So I just prepared this small video to explain it to you. Basically, BS Academy is a learning platform. Okay, the full meaning is Best Student Academy, and it's aimed at creating a palliative measure for the DOS students. That's it's aimed at helping children improve academically. They do offer other courses for adults like financial literacy class and such, but the main focus is on students primary to university. So you know that in Africa here the academic performance is very poor, and it is due to a lot of factors like bad way of learning. Yes, it might surprise you to know that most of the students don't know how to learn, and that's why during exams time they tend to forget. So BS Academy have a system, a program they call Learning to Learn, which help these children to learn and retain at least 80% of what they learn. And also they found out that most of the students are going to school because their children, their parents want them to go or their friends are going. There's no motivation. That's why BS Academy also introduced their quizzes and the empowerment program to reward students that are actively learning. And when other students see that their fellow students have been rewarded for learning, they have gained something from it, they will also sit up and start learning with the aim of also winning something. And then most of the students will have less time with the teachers. In the class, the teacher has only 45 minutes with them. They have to go to the next class. They can't answer all the questions students will ask. They don't have all the time with them because they have a lot of students and a lot of classes to attend. And because of this, students sometimes lose confidence also because their programs are not being attended to. And also we have the poor use of available technology. That's this. Most of the senior high students have smartphones that they don't make good use of it for us in the aspect of learning. They go to YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. But if we have a system they can use to learn well, to make use of it. So that's why BS Academy created their system. So their system is in two ways. It's offline and online. So the online is where the student come and learn all their subjects. They come to learn how to retain, have the learning to learn, help them to retain what they learn. They also learn the other subjects like the English, math, and all those things. They have time with the teacher. The teachers are online, they ask them questions and all those things. Then they have the offline. The offline is where they use the skill acquisition, seminars, mentoring, quizzes, and empowerment programs to reward the students. So these are some of the exams, the empowerments, and the skill acquisition programs like bead making, basketry, and all those things free of charge. And it's for student learning in the platform only. So if you are not learning in the platform, you cannot participate in all these programs. You cannot participate in their quiz, you cannot participate in their empowerment program, and their yearly scholarship scheme. You cannot participate if you are not a student learning in their platform. So you come to their platform to learn. First, you come to improve your memory, then you learn your various subjects that you are not getting the full attention of your teachers in school because of the limited time when you come back from school. use it to learn. When you're on holidays, use it to learn. If you want to learn further, you want to learn more, use the platform. That's how the system is. So currently the system is operating in about 5 countries, and Ghana is next. So you've not started the empowerment program. The first empowerment program was supposed to hold in April, but because of this virus pandemic we are having, which will not come up, it will be rescheduled. So this is the opportunity for new students to also join in order to participate for that program. So if you're a marketer, then that's where you come in. You have to make your system people get to know about this platform, because this platform is new in Ghana, yeah, but it's existing in other countries. So your work is to inform others, send your links, and once they are registering, you also get something from it. Okay, so this some of the images of people who have won from the empowerment programs, the quizzes, yes, and so forth. Yeah. This man here is also a marketer in BS Academy. If you market well, if you do this thing well, you work with the director himself, you participate in the quiz conduction, the empowerment conduction, and the scholarship game, you have the privilege of helping in conducting them, and you get huge bonuses also. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next video how you'll be able to do this, how you'll be able to promote the system, how you'll be able to introduce this thing to other people and earn huge sum of money. Thank you.